The first month of 2026 was supposed to be quiet. Historically, Apple spends January recovering from the holiday rush, maybe dropping a new watch band or a press release. But this year, Apple decided to go for the jugular. While the world was watching CES, Tim Cook and his team were quietly preparing a January blitz that has left the rest of the industry in a state of shock. From the secretive Apple Experience event in Los Angeles to a flurry of midnight press releases, Apple just refreshed almost half of its core lineup. We are talking about the long-awaited M5 Pro and M5 MacBook Pros, a revolutionary new AirTag, and a budget MacBook that is designed to destroy the Chromebook market forever. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you are planning on buying a new Apple product this month, stop everything. You need to hear this, because the rules of the Apple ecosystem just changed. The center of the storm was Los Angeles. Apple didn't hold a traditional Steve Jobs Theater keynote. Instead, they invited a small group of elite creators to a 3-day intensive experience. They wanted the world to see what the M5 Pro and M5 Max chips can actually do in the hands of the people who build the future. And the results? They are terrifying for the competition. The M5 generation isn't just a spec bump. This is the 3-nanometer architecture perfected. The jump in multi-core performance from the M4 to the M5 Pro is reportedly 30%, but the real story is the neural fabric. These chips are built from the ground up for Apple Intelligence 2.0. We are seeing on-device video rendering speeds that make the Mac Studio from 2 years ago look like a tablet. This is Apple saying that the Pro in MacBook Pro finally means professional-grade AI. But it wasn't just about the raw power. It was about the quiet launch of the AirTag 2. After 5 years of waiting, the world's most popular tracker finally got its sequel. And it's not just a new battery. Apple has integrated the second-generation ultra-wideband chip, giving it a range that is nearly 4 times what the original could do. But the real killer feature is the privacy overhaul. In a move to stop stalking once and for all, the AirTag 2 features a hardware-level check-in system that is encrypted to your specific iCloud DNA. It's louder, it's more precise, and it's finally built with a design that doesn't require a separate keychain. It's the small device that's going to make a massive impact on the 2026 bottom line. And then, there was the one more thing that didn't even need a stage, the low-cost MacBook. 4 years, we've heard rumors that Apple wanted to compete in the $700 price bracket. In late January, it finally happened. By using a modified A18 Pro chip, the same silicon that powered the iPhone 16 Pro, Apple created a MacBook that is silent, fanless, and lasts for 25 hours on a single charge. It's the ultimate student machine. It's Apple's way of ensuring that the next generation of creators starts on a Mac, not a Google document. It's a strategic masterstroke that is aimed directly at the heart of the education market. We also have to talk about the Apple TV 4K refresh. With the A17 Pro chip now inside the box, Apple is turning your living room into a gaming console. This January update added native support for resident-grade AI upscaling for sports and movies. It's no longer just a streaming box. It's an entertainment hub that can run AAA